What's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. I'm your host, Larry Jones, aka Uncle Larry TV. Hey, if you're new to the page, just go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. And you want to hit all when you hit that notification bell. Some of you have been complaining that you're not getting everything. We're going to go over some stock that will make you wealthy. They will simply make you wealthy over time. The stock market is something that have helped people gain great wealth over the years. And there's a saying that is true. A bull market, you could get rich in a bull market, but you can get wealthy in a bear market, actually. And then you have to learn about trends. Trends make millionaires. Trends, if you get in early, make millionaires. And I'm going to be talking about that and how you can get in on a trend right now that is upcoming and that's going to gain you a lot of money. I also have some really good news from Webull. Webull is the trading app that I use probably 85% of the time. I do have other brokerages like TD Ameritrade and Fidelity, but I do 85% of my trading on Webull. If you download the link provided below, deposit $100, they're going to give you 2 free stock worth up to now $2,300. But even better, if you're new, they are now doing fractional shares. And I will tell you, if you're in another trading platform that limits you when you get ready to buy or sell stock, especially if they're running up, you're going to just want to switch over to Webull. You have no excuse now. They're now doing fractional shares. And if you're watching this, at the time you're watching this, if you already have the Webull app downloaded, just give it a week or two and you'll be able to do it. But if you're new, click the link right now, download it, and you can do fractional shares. Let's say you want some Tesla stock, which we're going to be covering, and you don't have $600, $700, $800. You can just buy $10 worth of Tesla. You can buy $5 worth of Tesla. That's what fractional shares allows you to do. Down the road, we're going to make another video on how to use the Webull app and simplify it for you guys. Let's get it going. All right. So trends are your friends. Remember, trends are your friends if you invest in them early. So what I did was, we know that EVs are coming. We know that EVs are here, but they're coming really big. We know that cities like California is mandating by a certain year that you can't even buy a brand new car. We know that China, 25% by 2035 must be EVs. That's the size of America put together, right? There is 1.4 billion people there, 330 million people here. So just a fourth of their country going electric equals the size of the United States. Okay, so I want to show you guys some numbers here that I want you to really think about. And if we start investing right now, I have a group that follows me. We do what's called the $5 a day challenge. Hashtag $1 million cup of coffee. I'm going to leave a video at the end right here that I absolutely beg you to watch after this. Okay, let's get right into it. Let's start with Tesla. So if you look at Tesla stock to rise by 350% by 2025. Now, these are just price predictions. All right. These are not written in stone. These are just price predictions by analysts. Now, I also want to tell you that if you see any correspondent below talking about a WhatsApp, talk to my broker, anything like that, it is not me. All right. It is spam. All right. I will never ask you for any information, not just myself, but any other YouTuber. Don't give any information. Talking about WhatsApp or broker, here's my number. It is not us, it's spam. Don't fall for it. All right, let's keep it going. So Tesla at 350%. Remember, these are just predictions. You have to do your own due diligence and your own research. We are not your financial advisors. We just want to shine a light on stuff. Okay, so 350% by years 2025. Now, everything I'm telling you is going to be based on the year 2025. At the point that you watch this, this is 2021. Okay, so 4 short years. What I want to tell you about Tesla is Tesla's price prediction by 2025 by Miss Cathie Wood's stock, as they call it, Miss Cathie Woods, is about $3,000. Okay, she actually says from $3,000 to $4,000. And she's called these bold price predictions out before, and she's been right. And so let's just take everything as what it says. 350%. That's up 350% roughly around today's price. That's an annual return of 87.5% per year. Now, it's not going to go up the same amount every year. It's going to slowly go up, and it's going to really ramp up between 2023 to 2025. Okay. And so it's not going to be equal. But if we just took the number and divided it by 4, that's roughly 87.5%. That is ridiculous. Okay. But we know that EVs are coming. There's no stopping it. Infrastructure bills, everything is supporting it, right? So let's deal with that. I'm also going to give you price predictions by year end on the stock, right? So if Tesla hits 3,000 by the year 2025, that's a 350% increase over today's price. My price prediction, Larry's price prediction by the year end is $900. Let's go to NIO. According to the largest long-term forecast, NIO price will hit $50 by the year end, okay, of 2021, then 60 by 2022. NIO will rise to 80 within the year 2023, 100 in 2024, and 125 by 2025. But if you look down here by year's end, they're talking about $132 by the end of 2025. If you catch NIO at $44, if you buy that $44, you're talking about a 300% gain in the next 4 years. And that annual return is about 75% every year. 75% every year over the next 4 years. Now, it's not going to be even. Remember, it's going to ramp up 2023, 25. Okay. Larry's price prediction for NIO for the end of 2021 is $75 by year's end. I'm very bullish on NIO. They have a whole lot. Look at my other videos. Look at Stock Moan's videos. Look at all of the videos. Zip Traders. Just look at all of the other videos, and you're going to see that most people are bullish on NIO, and so am I. They have a lot going on right now with the government, the Chinese government behind them. They're not going to lose. Okay, that's what I got to say about NIO. Let's see what TipRanks, and I have a link below for TipRanks. Let's see what TipRanks say about NIO. TipRanks has an average of $61, $61.10. That is the average on NIO. A high of $65. That's what TipRanks say about NIO. All right. Remember, my price for the end of the year is $75, but we're talking about from now to 2025, 300%. Remember, the trends are your friends, especially if you buy in early. All right, let's go to Lucid Motors, which is currently Churchill Capital, CCIV. Okay, CCIV by 2025, and it was really hard to find any info on Churchill Capital because they have a lot to prove. They moved their delivery back. They move, it's a SPAC, of course, special purpose acquisition, and they move the merger back. But they also move their deliveries back. I also went this weekend, this past weekend, and I saw a prototype of the Lucid Motors car, and it's very, very nice. Talked to the young lady there, did a whole rundown of the car, and I'm pretty sure someone in my family, between my wife and I, will be driving a Lucid. Okay, so let's look at what they got to say about Lucid Motors. Now, here, I just went to 2025. I went to the end of the year. Let's say Christmas. Let's say December 25th, 2025, right? You have a low price of 120, then 142, best case in scenario, 163. Let's deal with $142 for Lucid Motors. $142. $142 from todayj's price is an increase of 568%. 568%. That is an annual return of 142%. 142% per year. Now remember, I'm not going to say it again, but if we just wait until 2025, that's why 2025 is my year, then you're talking about the potential of being up 568%. Larry's price prediction for Lucid Motors, which is currently CCIV, is, and it's been adjusted because of what they had to do, $45 at the end of the year. So my price prediction for the end of 2021 is $45 for CCIV. Now, CCIV, I would buy around $22. Look for around $22 to pick up CCIV. NIO, I still would wait until $38. I believe that it could have a pullback to $38, and $38 is where I would load up. And of course, Tesla, anytime it gets under $600, I'm loading up. Those are my buy-in prices and my price predictions, okay? So I just wanted to leave you with that. And I also want to tell you guys that I want you to share this with your family. I want you to share this with your kids and get them ready. Especially you millennials, start loading up annually in dollar cost average in. So I have a group of us, and we're doing something called the $5 a day challenge. Okay. The $5 a day challenge, hashtag $1 million cup of coffee. I have stock in there that if you just add $5 a day, and we always discuss it around the 22nd of each month, and it shows you how to become a millionaire. And it all depends on how much you're putting. But if you could just start with $5 a day, then that's fine. I have some stock that I've given out already, but I'm going to add some more. And here are the stock. I'm just going to go by the ticker symbols. Ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. Ticker symbol ARKK, ARK. Ticker symbol CNRG. Ticker symbol INSG, in Seagull. Ticker symbol GM. Ticker symbol BEEM. That's BEEM. Ticker symbol CCIV. Ticker symbol JMIA. Jumia. All right. Now we're going to add 5 more ticker symbols because we want you to pick whichever, if you can only afford $5 a day, pick 4 of these and put $38 per month into 4 different stocks. That equals $5 a day, right? But we're going to add ticker symbol NIO. We're going to add ticker symbol TSLA. Don't sleep on Tesla. I don't care what the price is. We're going to add ticker symbol CHPT, which is charge point. We're going to add ticker symbol CLII, and we're going to add ticker symbol F for Ford. Now, you could, if you just can afford $5 a day, pick 4 stock, and every month on the 22nd, add $38 times 4 stocks. So 38, 38, 38, and 38 for any 4 of these stocks, right? If you want to do $5 a day, In all of these stocks, you can. If you want to do $10 a day in all of these stocks, you can. You just do the math. And what we've done is we started from January 1st, 2021, and we've added every day up until now. All right. So for those of you that have been following the $5 a day challenge, please leave me a comment below. We are building wealth. And I want you to understand that if you're buying today and this entire month you're still red, congratulations. You're buying it on a discount. Remember, the year 2023 to 2025, these stocks are going to ramp up. You've been buying them cheap now, and these are going to ramp up now. We're about building generational wealth. I want you to share this, and I don't care what medium you are. I want you to join me on YouTube. If you're watching this on Facebook or anywhere else that anybody shares this, I want you to continue to follow me on YouTube. Okay, Stock Up with Larry Jones. Right? Hopefully this blesses your family. We want to create generational wealth. You could do $5 a day because it is literally the price of a cup of coffee. Go to Starbucks and get a latte, anything. And so let's not just consume, let's create. We're going to stop consuming. We're going to start creating. Okay. Hopefully this helps any one of you guys, family, if you could help out. And I want to start showing it on the Webull app. So download the Webull app. For those of you, I don't care if you have other apps, and if you own Robinhood, you really need to be switching over. I'm just go ahead and say it to Webull, okay? Because now Webull has fractional shares. All right, that's it, good people. There's a video right here. I want you to watch this $1 million cup, hashtag $1 million cup of coffee video right here at the end, and share this with everyone you know. All right, good people, we building wealth. All right, we'll see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Watch this video and download the Webull link.